You didn't land here by coincidence. The very fact that you are hearing this message right now is already part of the alignment. The universe never throws signals randomly. It threads them into your path with precision. And when millions, real wealth, and life changing prosperity are preparing to enter your reality, those signals grow louder, clearer, impossible to ignore. If you've been seeing patterns, feeling unusual shifts, or sensing a restless pull in your chest, you are not imagining it. These are the early announcements of abundance making its way to you. Most people dismiss these moments as accidents. They call them coincidences, quirks of chance, or the mind playing tricks. But they are not random. They are coded language from the universe. And the more you learn to read that language, the faster your reality rearranges itself to match your new frequency. This is not vague mysticism, it is practical alignment. Notice these signs, honor them, act on them, and doors begin opening that once seemed impossible. Sign 1. The flood of synchronicities. This is usually the first thing people notice when abundance begins to circle. Repeating numbers appear on clocks and receipts. 1111, 222, 444, showing up again and again until you can't ignore them. Words, images, or symbols start following you through the day. A phrase on a billboard, a line in a song, a symbol that seems to pop up in conversation. You meet strangers at precisely the right moment, as if life itself has arranged the encounter. These are not trivial coincidences. Synchronicities are confirmation that your vibration has tuned to something larger. Imagine reality itself echoing your inner state. That echo grows more frequent and precise the closer you are to a breakthrough. When millions are preparing to meet you, reality rehearses the arrival first, in numbers, in signs, in timing. Sign 2, restless anticipation. This one is felt before anything appears in the outside world. You wake with a buzz you can't explain, a compressed energy in the chest that makes stillness uncomfortable. It's like standing outside before a storm. The air feels thick, electric, expectant. Outwardly, nothing may have changed, but inwardly, everything has shifted. This sensation isn't anxiety. It is your intuition rehearsing for expansion. You might find yourself cleaning, organizing, shifting small parts of your life as if preparing a house for a guest who hasn't arrived yet. That restlessness is the universe expanding you to hold more. It stretches your limits so the incoming abundance has room to land. Sign 3. Sudden endings. This sign feels brutal while it's happening because it looks like loss. A friendship that felt permanent drifts apart. A role or contract you depended on disappears overnight. Plans you had assumed would carry you forward collapse without warning. The instinct is to panic, to ask why everything is falling away now, but endings are not punishment, they are pruning. The universe cannot deliver millions into a life crowded with misaligned people, habits, or obligations. So it clears the field. It removes what cannot remain so that growth has space. Just like a gardener cuts dead branches before a tree bears fruit, life removes what blocks expansion. Every closed door is secretly creating room for a far larger entrance. If you can learn to ask, what is this making space for? You begin to see endings as part of the same movement toward abundance. Sign 4. Unexpected opportunities. These do not arrive wearing labels that say wealth. They come disguised as small invitations that feel ordinary at first. A passing conversation that plants a seed, a random idea you can't stop thinking about, a friend's offhand suggestion that later turns into a doorway. Sometimes they arrive as problems that force you to develop a new skill, a skill that later becomes the bridge to prosperity. The pattern is subtle. The universe prefers whispers and breadcrumbs over trumpets. It tests whether you're awake enough to notice. Most people walk past these tiny openings because they don't look like much. But when millions are near, those small opportunities feel charged. They linger in your mind and tug at your attention. Follow them. Treat them as the universe's roadmap. Those who trust the whispers and step through the small doors are the ones who find the larger gates beyond them. If synchronicities are multiplying, if anticipation hums in your chest, if sudden endings are clearing your path, and if strange, small opportunities keep tugging at your attention, take this as confirmation. The universe is rearranging your life so abundance can land. These are not coincidences. They are not illusions. They are the signs of a reality preparing to shift in your favor. Notice them, honor them, and prepare to receive. Sign 5. Unusual flow of resources. Another clear indicator is when resources begin appearing in ways that don't make sense on paper. You may receive unexpected refunds, discounts, or gifts at the exact moment you need them. Someone might treat you to something small, or you discover money you had forgotten about. These little inflows are not random luck, they are rehearsals. The universe often sends small sums before the larger fortune, testing your response. If you receive them with gratitude, you prove you're ready for more. If you dismiss them or complain that it's not enough, you signal that you aren't ready to hold millions. These small bursts of provision are the universe knocking gently at your door, preparing you for the moment it arrives with full force. Sign 6. Elevated inner clarity. As wealth approaches, your inner world sharpens. You start knowing things without needing evidence. Decisions that once felt cloudy suddenly feel simple. Paths that used to confuse you now stand out in bold. This isn't arrogance, it's alignment. When you are close to prosperity, your intuition rises to meet it. You no longer waste energy doubting yourself or chasing validation. You begin to feel guided, as though your thoughts and instincts are being carried on a current stronger than you. Millions do not arrive to a scattered mind. They arrive to a clear one, focused and calm. That sudden sense of inner clarity, where your vision narrows to what truly matters, is one of the strongest signals that abundance is on the threshold. Sign 7. The energy of recognition. The final sign is the most profound. People begin to see you differently. Strangers treat you with unusual respect. Friends notice something glowing in your energy. Opportunities seem to find you as though the world itself is recognizing a shift that you can't yet fully explain. This isn't about fame or attention, it's about resonance. When millions are near, your energy shifts in a way that others cannot ignore. The recognition comes before the money. Life begins reflecting back to you a version of yourself that feels larger, brighter, more magnetic. That mirror is not lying. It is showing you the version of yourself already aligned with abundance. And when all these signs converge, synchronicities flood in your days, restless anticipation filling your chest, sudden endings clearing space, unexpected opportunities tugging at you, resources trickling in, clarity sharpening your focus, and people recognizing your shift. Then you can know without doubt. The universe is already delivering. Millions are not a distant dream. They are already circling, already aligning, already on their way to you. So do not brush these signals aside. Do not shrink back into doubt or fear. Accept them. Acknowledge them. Let them anchor you in certainty. Because when the universe prepares you with signs this clear, it means your life is standing on the threshold of abundance. The waiting is over. The shift is here. And what is coming next is bigger than anything you've ever held before.